I feel for her. But she's been lovely. We've worked on Cocktail before. And I remember on one of the off days during Cocktail, she took me out for lunch. She's taken me out shopping. She treats me like her daughter. She pampers me, she spoils me, and she loves me and I love her. And it's an equation that I'll never be able to explain in words. It's unsaid.
No, she was very comfortable. In fact, Dimple is, I think she's extremely shy of the media, but she's completely game for anything. She's a sporting woman. She loves having fun. And in fact, in Finding Fanny, we've made her wear a 20-kilo prosthetic bottom and a stomach. And she wanted to make it 40 kilos, but I had to control her because she just loves going over the top. But yeah, she was completely game for anything. She likes having fun, and I think all of us love having fun, and that's why we had so much fun on this film. Was that Dimple's idea, or what do you? Oh, there's nothing to convince. That's the character, you know. It's not like she is Dimple Kapadia in the film. So as long as it's the character and she's playing it to the T, I mean, she's willing to do anything.
Good afternoon, homie. This is Vikram from MTV.
Yeah.
Who thought of this name, Finding Fanny?
I thought of the name Finding Fanny.
Who do you think?
Who else would think of it?
It could be you, Arjun.
I got cast after he thought of the name.
Yeah, because the only Fanny that you can find is actually Dimple Kapadia, considering it is 40 kilos. As
No, I think you're thinking of it in a slightly perverse way. I never thought of it that there was another meaning for Fanny, actually. I just felt it was a...
It seems it's just me and Pankaj Kapoor who's looking
just
at Fanny
you, Pankaj Kapoor, and Arjun. But no, Fanny is the nickname of Stephanie. I mean, if I had, if it was a film called Finding Dick, I mean, I don't think... I mean, if they were looking for a guy called Richard and they said, well, let's make the film called Finding Dick, then you guys would have thought of it in that way. It's not like that. It's just a nickname, and maybe they'll have some issues with it in the UK and the US, but not in India and other places where we have pure thought.
This is to Arjun and Dimple. Just press conference we are finding balls, dicks. You know, so
Sorry, sir.
Balls, dick. हमने सुना तो during the making of the film इस तरह के conversation कितने हो रहे थे? How much did you all enjoy yourself?
Sir, you won't be able to air it. So no point us talking about it.
अच्छा, any particular dialogue ऐसे कोई यादगार dialogue हो गए जैसे आपने चिन्ह में बकवास डिक्शनरी वाला टाइप में कुछ इसमें सुनने मिलेगा? है ना कोंकणी ऐसे ना वो हाँ.
It's a full family entertainer. There's absolutely no profanity in this film. It's.
He finished that question. He's saying, "आपको कोई dialogue पसंद है यादगार जो आप?"
I'm sorry. I didn't follow your train of thought.
And
बोल दीजिए.
नहीं क्या बोले? ये एक सवाल पीछे चल रहे लाइफ में. शूटिंग पे एक सीन पीछे ही चलते थे.
Not yet. I mean, I don't know. You decide when you see the film, you'll know. You don't plan these things. You don't go into a film thinking that, oh, this line is going to be iconic or this line is going to be like the punchline. You go in with a character. You know, you're meant to say certain lines. You deliver it a certain way. In the process, if it becomes that, then great.
But sometimes you get that feeling also, no, while shooting it, this would definitely work out something, you know. Maybe a particular dialogue रहता है या कोई steps.
See, let's put it this way. This is not one of those films. It's not one of those films that the dialogues are written for an effect.